Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. A406 error, also known as not acceptable, is an HTTP response status code that indicates that the server cannot generate a response that is acceptable to the client based on the accept headers sent in the request. This usually happens when the client specifies certain media types, like JSON, XML, etc., that the server cannot provide. Understanding the 406 error. When a client sends a request to a server, it can include an accept header that indicates the media types it can handle. If the server cannot produce a response that matches any of the acceptable media types, it will return a 406 error. Common causes of a 406 error. 1. Incorrect accept header. The client is asking for a format that the server doesn't support. 2. Server configuration. The server might be misconfigured or incapable of fulfilling the request in the desired format. 3. Resource issues. The requested resource may not exist in the specified format. Steps to fix a 406 error. 1. Check the accept header. Look at the request headers to see what media types are being requested. You can use tools like Postman or browser developer tools to inspect this. 2. Modify the accept header. If you control the client application, you can modify the accept header to request a format that the server can provide. 3. Update server configuration. If you're developing the server, ensure that it is configured to handle the requested formats. This may involve adding support for certain MIME types or ensuring that the resource can be served in the requested format. 4. Implement fallback responses. If the server cannot serve the requested media type, consider implementing a fallback response that returns a default format, like JSON or HTML. 5. Check resource availability. Ensure that the resource being requested is indeed available in the requested format. Example scenario. Let's consider an example where a client requests a resource in JSON format, but the server only supports XML. Client code, JavaScript fetch request. Server code, Node.js with Express. In this example, the server can handle only XML, and we need to fix it to respond correctly. Fixing the issue. 1. Modify the client. If the server only supports XML, the client should include application/XML in the accept header. 2. Update the server. If you want the server to support JSON, you can modify the server code to handle the request. Conclusion. In summary, a 406 not acceptable error occurs when the server cannot provide a response in the format requested by the client. By inspecting and modifying the accept header, updating server configurations, or ensuring resource availability, you can easily resolve this error. This will improve client-server communication and enhance user experience.